Alright, welcome back to another awesome how-to video, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you about these new cars, and they use a lot of plastic. They use a lot of super glue to glue their parts down. You can see right here some adhesive. So, let's say if you guys have a flappy bumper or flappy side skirt or some other part on top of your car, which you don't know of, is a little bit flappy. This video is for you today. So, what we're going to do is we're going to get into this area and we're going to clean it. Now all these materials, guys, you can get at your local Home Depot, Lowe's, hardwood store, wherever you're at, you can get at your hardware store. So we have tape, E6000, which I recommend. It's really good glue, glues out clear, and it glues just like factory. You need some clean water and some alcohol, also some Q-tips to kind of get into detail, and some towels, of course. So this is some really easy material, guys, maybe about 10 bucks. It'll save you a lot of money instead of having to replace the whole entire part. All you have to do is just clean this off. Now, as far as the clip being out right over that way, you can see behind. I know that's a little frustrating, a little scary. That's where we're going to need our tools to get right behind everything and kind of just loosen up this screw here, and to find out where we can take this plastic piece off. This is for all the DIYs, especially if you guys have those cheap Subarus that have some very nasty plastic parts, or even the Kias. This is for your guys' video. If you know a family member or a friend that has something, you know, of newer age and a lot of cheap plastic bits on there, well, this is for you guys. Okay, so now with that screw out, yep, we can get our bracket all the way out. So you can see we actually are out by two clips. So we do need to clean off all this debris and dirt right by there. You can see that little tiny slab of glue. We're gonna put a nice big dab of glue everywhere to kind of really hold this guy down 100%. And then we are gonna put the tape kind of right here. So penny from the future, guys, actually you don't need to remove the clips. Unlike the 2015 Fiat 500 Abarth I have, the side skirt actually slides into place, which you guys will see in just a moment after I show you how I glued everything together. Alright, so you guys see me struggle by a little finessing. Now, the best way to get behind, I forgot to include the pry tool, but you can find this at your hardware store as well. Home Depot, Lowe's, they all have that. But you want to get your pry tool carefully without scratching your body. Put it in the hole, and you want to get right behind to squeeze those two tabs. Now this is on the inside of the body. It's not going to scratch it. I know you guys are probably saying, oh my god, he's using a napkin on body paint. Well, this is for all the DIYers at home. Trust me, guys, there's people out there that wash their car with Dawn dish soap, and even with a lot of dirty chemicals that shouldn't be on paint. So we're totally fine. We're not hitting the outside right here. We're just going on the inside, cleaning up all that surface dirt. It's not anything that nobody will see but you guys. So we have a relatively cleaner surface. We're just looking at this guy. We're gonna go back probably in. What you're seeing right here is just glue, kind of like where it was burned at. So it looks dirty, but it's not dirty. We're looking back into here. We're probably gonna clean a little bit more downward right over here where my finger's at. So I want to slap some glue everywhere. All right, so we're gonna put our Q-tip back here. See if we missed anybody. She is clean. Now that we are clean, we're gonna go in with some alcohol. We got 70% isopropyl alcohol, first aid antiseptic. This guy does also dry out relatively quick, so it's not gonna be all that water back there in case we did leave some lingering water. But we're gonna glue this whole entire bracket back together. Alright, so I kind of just have a whole entire monster dab of glue going down right there, and I'm gonna just stick this bad boy together right now. So we're gonna let this hold into place so it can kind of dry, and then when we done hold this into place, we are gonna put our clips back into this sliding hole here. Help me out, I just kind of tape the corner down so that way it's 100% bonded in. Now to answer any quick questions, guys, E6000, this little guy, this guy right here, the tape, tissue and everything might run you about 15 bucks for all the materials, including the tools as well. You can get a normal bits drive. You don't need a whole ratchet for this, as long as you have a Phillips. If you are doing like fender liners, or if you're doing anything that has to do with the flatheads or Phillips stars, it's not that expensive for tools and materials for this. You guys will save a lot of money. Just imagine having to buy a whole new side skirt and then slapping it together because said bracket is broken. Now the side skirt itself is about 300 plus, compared to about $15 in material. This right here is just a normal thing of water. There's nothing else inside of there, and water you can get inside your house for free. So these little clips, if you do break them off, they're only about $2, maybe even cheaper depending on where you go. You can get them at your dealership or even at your local AutoZone. And yeah, that's gonna be, I guess, all the answering questions. If you have any more questions, guys, comment down below. Let me know if I missed anything. Q-tips you can buy at the 99-cent store, or in this case Dollar Tree, or any kind of local convenience store, Walmart, Target, or in your household if you have them and you clean your ears. But that's a good sign that we have compression, we have glue leaking out. So I'll catch you guys when this thing is 100% fully on there, and we can take the tape off. While we're actually waiting, I'm gonna take the time to show you guys how these clips work. So there's a double flange, and the way it goes in, you have that little insert down there, and it doesn't really matter, and just like that it's gonna go in. So we're gonna line it up kind of right there, but we are gonna move that one in first. Once we get this guy down, you can see it's kind of not near the hole. So it has been about 10 minutes, and check in on this. Let's see here. We still are squishy. Let's give it another 10 minutes. So about 20-25 minutes later, you guys can see now it's bonded. It's one piece. It's not super squishy. We are a little weird down on the bottom side, to be honest with you guys, but should be totally fine. I didn't tape the bottom corner. Thinking about taping it right now just so it can adhere just a little better and it doesn't fly off in the long run, but for right now it's fine. I am gonna stick some tape onto the body right over here in this direction, so when we do put everything together, this will help heal this together so it doesn't pop out at, you know, this area right over here. So now we're gonna figure out how to get our side skirt put back onto the body. So I need 2 hands for this one, guys, and I want to show you some tips and tricks, but I'm gonna explain it to you afterwards on what I do. Alright guys, I am just completely baffled and bamboozled about how everything is going. The alignment is still a little bit messed up from right here. It's gonna bug me knowing that it's like that, but I can't confirm. This is very new to me, right? So 2025 Honda Civic SI, we still have a little bit of a gap there. The alignment over here is pretty cool, but there is that weird little gap down there. So to confirm on this side, the way how we did it, now I want to stop the video and talk to you guys about this car real quick, because the side skirts are a very tricky thing on how they went in. So essentially this side skirt, it pulls back and it wiggles outward. Right now it is locked into place, so that's good. That's a good sign. This entire side skirt is not screwed in, not glued in, not any kind of weirdness in. It only has the little octopus clip in the bottom side over here, and also it only has those 2 clips that are right there holding in the entire side skirt. Now there is little clips going up and down the entire thing, but those are V clamps where the side skirt sits into a pinch plastic. So to talk a little bit more about the background behind all this and everything, it's absolutely insane, guys, how simple this is done compared to over here at my Fiat. This has a glued type side skirt where we had to do some 3M adhesive, and also it has screws and stuff underneath the side skirt. So in the front side it's just glue, in this one it's just plastic clips. So 2015 to 2025 right over here, it's insane how technology has changed over the time. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Honestly, just a quick recap. The tools that you are going to need is going to be a flathead, a Phillips, something that with a little tiny short end on there. You're going to need some tape, E6000, some cleaning supplies that we've used, some alcohol to clean out the surfaces for the glue to glue down, some water to spray everything down. You don't need soap. I don't recommend using soap. So it doesn't have no weird reaction. You don't even need this. So you don't need this guy at all, because once those clips are inside the body and your side skirt pops out, unless your side skirt is damaged, that's going to be a different situation. But you don't need a pry tool. Just found that out. You just pull it out. A pry tool to get underneath, and that's going to be for this guy right over here. So that's going to help pluck this guy out from underneath the vehicle. You don't need a jack because you're able to get underneath. This is still a normal ride height that the car is at right now. So yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. Let me know, comments down below, if you guys need help with this. Right now I'm gonna put some tape on there just to kind of tape this guy back into shape. But honestly, it's holding up pretty good, but I want to make sure that it holds up 100% and we're not gonna have a flappy side skirt. That's gonna be it for today's video. Once again, guys, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And if you haven't signed up for the members, it's only about $5 a month, I believe, and you guys get early access to all the how-to videos, all the car meets and car shows. So if you guys are into that too, it's all on the YouTube channel. Go ahead and check that out. And yeah, as always, guys, stay safe and stay chill.